Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem faced by developers. In this case, we're diving into a scenario where a BullMQ setup doesn't quite behave as expected. The issue revolves around jobs and a queue being processed with a delay, but not working as intended. Let's explore the solution to this tricky problem. The solution lies in leveraging the limiter configuration in BullMQ. By setting up the worker with the limiter parameters, we can achieve the desired behavior of processing jobs with a precise delay. The key component here is the configuration of the worker instance, where the concurrency is set to 1, in addition to defining the limiter with a maximum count of 1 and a duration of 15,000 milliseconds. This setup ensures that jobs are handled with a 15-second delay between each processing, giving us the expected outcome. To sum it up, we've cracked the code on ensuring a 15-second delay between processing jobs in a BullMQ queue. By utilizing the limiter configuration in the worker setup, we've managed to achieve the desired behavior effortlessly. I hope this solution sheds light on similar challenges you might encounter in your projects. So, until next time, remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, folks!